Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to insert SD card in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in Samsung Galaxy A02 model or mobile phone, okay, you can see on the left side the hole. And okay guys, here you can see the hole. And okay guys, now we have to use the injection pin. Okay, and okay guys, here the injection pin. And okay, to remove the SD card tray, okay, you'll have to do is insert to the hole. And now the SD card tray is removed. And okay guys, here you can see this slot of the memory cards or SD card. And okay guys, you can use the micro SD card as a memory card of your Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, you'll have to do is insert to the slot of the SD card. And okay guys, we have successfully insert the SD card on SD card tray. And okay guys, after that, okay, insert the SD card tray on the Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, we have successfully insert the SD card in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.